So together in this video, we're going to take a look at the smartest path to $10,000 per month in 2025. So as you can see on my screen, I've included some proof of money I've earned myself in my company. That's why you know this stuff is legit and it actually works. And I've also put some pictures of me in my everyday life so you can see I'm not just some kid in his mother's basement making videos about stuff he doesn't actually understand. So when we get to 30,000 subs on YouTube, I'll give away $2,000. All you need to do to win that money is to watch the video until the end, to subscribe and to share it with a friend. In the description of this video, you will find a link to a free training where I explain in detail how you can go from $0 to $1,200 a day step by step. And right now, I'm also offering free calls where together we come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. The links are in the description below. Now, I want to share with you the stupidest path to $10,000 per month in 2025, and then we're actually going to take a look at the smartest path to $10,000 per month in 2025. And the reason why this is very important for you to understand is because depending on what you do, you won't get different results. So a lot of people think they're going about it the smart way, but they go about it the stupid way. So you need to pick the right path. So let me show you first the stupidest path to $10,000 per month in 2025. And now you might be seeing all these icons like Shopify, AliExpress, ClickBank, Bitcoin, and you're worried because you might have believed that those were the best way to make $10,000 per month in 2025. But what if they weren't? So this is what most people think. They think they need to resell the same overpriced, crappy products from AliExpress on a Shopify store. And that's how they're going to make millions or $10,000 per month. They think they need to do affiliate marketing, chase tiny commissions, and make $4 per sale per transaction. They think they need to resell some digital products like courses or ebooks. But what they forget is that this works well if you have a big audience. So if you try to make a course and then you try to sell it to no one, well, you're not going to make any money. So you need a gigantic budget for paid ads or a big audience already, which most people simply don't have. Now, what about becoming an influencer, making videos, making podcasts? Well, that can be great if you know exactly what you're doing and if you've got years of patience before you actually start earning money. And a lot of your favorite influencers, they're actually broke deep down. Now, what about selling cheap products? Well, like I told you, if you're about selling cheap physical or even digital products, you need hundreds of sales just to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So that's way too many sales. Ideally, the smartest path to $10,000 per month will only require a handful of sales to allow you to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Now, what about investing in the stock market, or even worse, investing in crypto? Investing in the stock market, it will make you richer over the course of decades. So first, you need to save up some money to invest at least $200 per month in the stock market for the next 40 years. So if you want to spend your entire life grinding away in a 9-to-5 that you hate, slaving away, working to make somebody else richer, working to build somebody else's dreams instead of building your dreams, go ahead, do the stock market thing, spend your whole life investing. And to be honest with you, the other day, I was talking to a 50-year-old man, and that's exactly what he had been doing. He was working a regular 9-to-5 job and he was making decent money, but it still wasn't enough for him to be financially free and to own a beautiful house like he wanted, even though he had been investing in the stock market for decades like the experts told him to do. And then there's investing in things like crypto, Bitcoin. That honestly is very risky. I know people who invested $2,000, like even more than that sometimes, in Bitcoin and they lost everything. So when you're investing, first, the rule is to only invest when you're rich. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. First, get rich, then invest to get richer. This is what rich people do. Investments don't make them rich unless you want to wait 60 goddamn years. But if you're like me, the goal is to be able to replace the income you make with your job as quickly as possible and to enjoy your life. That's basically it. And then when you do invest, 80% of the time, you invest in safe investments. So for example, you invest in the stock markets, in bonds, in real estate, and 20% of the time you invest in wild, crazy risky things, like for example crypto, or it could be brand new companies, startups. But that way, even if for some reason like you don't make it big with that 20% of risky investments, most of the time you're actually going to make more money. So now that we've seen the stupidest path to $10,000 per month in 2025, let's take a look at the smartest path to $10,000 per month and more in 2025. So we solve a painful problem for people and we charge a high ticket price, basically between $1,000 to $10,000 plus. So for example, if you could help somebody to get in shape, that would be closer to the lower end of the range, so $1,000 to $4,000. But if you could help somebody to invest in the stock market and to make more money, that could be anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. So the price really depends on how much value you're going to provide to people. And this isn't just about solving business problems, because personal problems are often a lot more painful than business problems, so they're worth a lot of money too. Now, let me share with you 3 reasons as to why it works so well. The first is because anyone can get started with the skills or knowledge that they have, or even leverage other people's skills. So in just a minute, I'm going to give you a few examples so you know exactly what I mean by that. Now, the other thing is, you only need 1 or 2 customers to replace the income you make with your job, because each client literally brings you thousands of dollars. So like I said, you charge anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000. So with 2 customers at $2K, you already make $5K per month. And if you sell to more people, or your price is more expensive, you make a lot more money. If your price is $2K and you sell to 10 people, you've made $20K, just like that. Now, the other thing is, you've got high profit margins, around 90 to 95%, because your only cost is your time and your knowledge. Whereas with most of those businesses, you get 5 to 20% in terms of profit. And this is exactly the biggest trap that most people fall for. They focus on revenue, how much they make, instead of profit, how much they keep. And I don't know what you think, but I would rather make $1 million and keep $1 million as opposed to make $10 million and keep $200,000 to $500,000. So let's take a look at most people, most business models versus us. So I'm going to compare with math, like with the details, with the numbers, this path, like the stupidest path to $10,000 per month in 2025, how much you would get to keep if you made $10,000 per month, versus our business model, the smartest path to $10,000 per month in 2025, and how much you would keep in profit if you follow this business model to the T. So with most people, they make $10,000. I'm going to write this so you can see clearer. They make $10,000. They keep 5 to 20% in profit. So how much would they actually keep? Well, that would be only $500 to $2,000. And remember, you've got to pay taxes. So after you pay corporate tax, after you pay income tax or dividend tax, you're probably left with only 50% if we're honest. So in your pocket, you would have $250 to $1,000. That's how much you actually get to keep. How do you live a decent life with this? You can't. And remember, initially, you made 10K. You don't even keep 10% of it after tax. Did you realize that? Yet most people still seriously believe that these business models are the best path to make $10,000 per month in 2025. No, they're not. Not to mention that because you sell inexpensive products, you're probably selling something for $50. So just to make 10K per month, you would need to get 200 sales. Do you realize how many sales this is? Like, this is insane. 200 sales per month is a lot of sales when you are a beginner. When you've got a crazy budget for paid ads or a big audience of millions of people, that's very easily achievable. But when you're just getting started, 200 sales is a lot of sales. And then, well, there's us. So we make $10,000, and let's say we've got an offer for 1K. We only need 10 customers. Let's say our offer is 2K. We only need 5 customers. As you can see, 5 clients. And if the price is even more than that, if it's, let's say, 3K plus, we'd need about, 3.5 customers. So as you can see, we don't need that many customers to make 10K per month. Whereas with the other business model, you'd need 200 sales to make the same amount. So in profit, how much would we actually keep? 90 to 95%. Meaning, whenever we make 10K, here is exactly how much we keep. We keep 9K to 9.5K. And if it's after tax, let's say we lose 50% to taxes. How much do we keep? Well, that would be around 4.5K to 4.7K. Now, obviously, you can optimize your taxes to pay less. But even if, let's say, the worst case scenario is you lose 50% to taxes, with that business model, you only have, $250 to $1,000 left. Whereas here, you've got 4.5K to 4.7K. That's way more money. And at least you can live a decent life with this kind of money. But here with $250 to $1,000, what can you do with that kind of money? That's the price of rent in most cities. And even $250, like, rent is more expensive than that. You pay your groceries with that. So let me share with you a few examples of different offers that you can do with our business model. Let's say you are in good shape. You could help people to get in shape, lose weight, without having to spend hours every day working out or giving up the foods that they love. This could be an offer. And for example, you could be pricing that 1.5K. Because you're literally changing somebody's life. I knew people who were in the dating market. They were charging 4K to help men to find dates. That works incredibly well too, because the man is feeling lonely. He wants some companionship. He wants to feel better. He wants relationships. This is a very painful problem that you solve for someone. So the more value you give to someone, the more expensive the price is going to be. If you could help somebody to invest in the stock market and to get a decent return, I mean, that alone can be priced 5K to 10K plus. See, that's a lot of money. And then I put this here, so as you can see, it's a calendar. So what is that exactly? Well, a lot of my customers, they started off with done for you lead generation services, meaning they help businesses to get more calls, to get more leads. And that can be worth typically between 1.5K to 5K per month per client. So with 10 customers, you could be making 50K per month. So that's a lot of money, and most of it is profit. Now, let's say you really have no skills, no knowledge, nothing to teach. What could you do? You could leverage remote contractors to do the work for you. So you couldn't really coach people on fitness or dating or investing or anything. But what you could do is to work with businesses. You essentially find a business, close them, and then you work with a remote contractor to deliver the work to the customer for you. So how this would work is actually pretty simple. Because think about this. This is literally what every company in the world does. They hire employees. That's it. Except that the difference is that you, instead of getting an employee that you would have to pay 365 days a year pretty much, pay for sick days, holidays, etc., you only pay the contractor when they do the work. So first you get paid by the customer, and then you pay a contractor. That makes it risk-free for you. But if you have a knowledge or a skill or a passion or an interest in a specific industry, you can come up with an offer around it. Now, most people, they think, oh, I'd love to do fitness, or I'd love to do investing, or I'd love to do dating, but I don't have the skills to do it. And so that's where they stop. But this is stupid. I mean, you're not going to build a business if you stop at the slightest thing. Instead, literally go do some market research, figure out what people want, and then do as much research as possible on Google, on social media, with AI, to figure out how you can help these people to solve that painful problem. And then you make your offer, and you work with these people closely until they achieve the goal that you want. And to be completely honest, a lot of people, they know what to do. For example, if they want to get in shape, they know they need to eat better. They know they need to move more. But what they really need, it's the accountability. It's a mentor. It's somebody to show them how it's done and to help them every step of the way. Now, be honest, if you already knew how to make $10,000 per month online or more, you would have done it already by now. I spent months of my life, close to a year, stuck in the same cycle, in this hamster wheel, because I wasn't willing to invest in myself, because I felt like I knew better. But then I came to realize, if I knew better, I would have been far wealthier already. So obviously there was something I just didn't know, which is why to help you, in the description of this video, you will find a free training that shows you how I went from $0 to $1,200 per day with my business, with over 90 to 95% in profit margins. And right now, I'm also offering free consultation calls where together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. But be quick if you're interested, because our limited spots fill up extremely quickly, and I don't know for how long I'm going to keep making this offer. The link will be in the description below. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.